And I'm really big on the visualization stuff. It didn't come up. I have this theory that the world is going to, in computer interfaces, are going to be visual. We'll be doing visual requirements, visual design between geospatial stuff and YouTube and everything else. I think the world of text is slowly going to fade away, and interfaces will be visual and voice in the future as we move along. We've actually have done a couple shows on visualization too, which have brought up some great points. Let me do a couple quick comments to close out. We're down to just a minute or so. We've heard a lot of interesting things. One thing right off the top that I think came right out of the box is we're not dealing anymore with just traditional structured data where things are nice formats and lined up nicely in rows and columns. We're dealing with a tremendous amount of unstructured data that's coming in all kinds of formats, which creates challenges for open source kinds of approaches and non-proprietary approaches and so forth. We heard a lot about planning and looking at cause and effect. In order to stay in front of the curve, it's going to require some thinking out in front and not just waiting for things to happen. Communities of practice came up with standards and open sources, and the idea that information sharing and cloud and virtualization and data center consolidation, all those issues are intertwined and they're interrelated with what we're doing now. We also realize that we've got some money issues. We're going to have to do this, but we're going to have to do it in a way that helps us reduce current baseline O&M costs, licensing costs. So we need creative solutions that allow us to deploy things, modernize, while at the same time taking some old cost out. We heard about the fact that things are happening quick. We're moving into a world where time is approaching zero. So we need to move fast and find things with the analytical tools. And we're going to need those tools that allow you to find that silver needle in that silver needle haystack.